Namaste and a very good morning to one and all present here. I, Hetan Savani from class 3A, welcome you all to this morning assembly. The date today is 15th July 2025 અને ગુજરાતી તિથિ પ્રમાણે અષાઢ વદ પાંચમ છે. Today we will talk about a very simple yet profound thing which is based on the theme Smart Choices, Happy Faces. Making smart choices helps us stay happy and safe every day. Whether it's choosing healthy food, being kind to friends, or listening carefully in class. Our good decisions bring smile to our faces and to others around us. Today, we'll explore how small smart choices can lead to big happy moments. Let's learn, grow, and shine together. I invite Darshi to recite the poem in English based on the same.
Namaste. I choose to be smart. I can shout or I can share. I can smile or I can stare. I can help or I can hide. I choose the smarter side. I can cheat or I can try. I can laugh or make one cry. I can push or lend a hand. I choose to understand. I can grumble, I can groan or do my work all on my own. I can wait or I can whine. I choose to stand in line. I can frown or I can grin. I can lose or still feel win. I can quit or do my part. I choose to be smart. I choose to be smart. Thank you.
Thank you, Darshi. Now, I invite my friends Jaivin, Yami, Hardvi, and Harmi to share some funny jokes, and I will try to share meaningful messages from the same. Why did the pencil cry at the school?
Because it couldn't draw any attention.
Don't worry if others don't notice you. Just focus and do your best. Why did the boy bring a ladder to school?
Because he wanted to go to high school.
Climb higher by learning every day, even if it's just one small step. Why don't books ever tell jokes?
Because they are too serious about their stories.
Books may not be funny, but they are full of adventures and wisdom, so read more. Why was math book worried?
Because it had too many problems.
Everyone has problems in math and in life, but solving them make us stronger and smarter. Why did the clock go to the school?
To learn how to tick properly.
Being on time shows you are responsible and ready to learn. Thank you, Jaivin and Yami.
Why did the student eat his homework? Because the teacher told it was a piece of cake.
Homework may not be tasty, but doing it helps us grow smarter every day.
Why did the pencil go to principal's office? Because it had a point to make.
If something is bothering you, speak up politely. Your voice matters.
Why did the book join the gym? Because it wanted to work out on its problem.
Don't give up when things are tough. Every problem has a solution.
Why did the boy bring ladder to school? Because he wanted to go to high school.
Dream big, but don't forget to take small steps every day to reach there.
What did the eraser say to the pencil? Don't worry, I have got your back.
Friends support each other. It's okay to make mistakes. Just be kind and helpful. When we make smart choices, we don't just become better students, we become better friends, helpers, and dreamers. Thank you, Harmi and Hardvi. स्मार्ट चॉइसेस हैप्पी फेसेस यानी समझदारी से लिए गए फैसले हमें खुश और सुरक्षित रखते हैं। इस थीम पर आधारित हमारी कविता पाठ गतिविधि में जियान मजेदार और सीख देने वाली कविता प्रस्तुत करेंगे जो हमें अच्छे विचार, सही निर्णय और खुशहाल जीवन का संदेश देंगी। आइए इन प्यारी कविता के साथ मिलकर मुस्कुराइए।
नमस्ते। मैं चिल्लाऊं या हाथ उठाऊं? टीचर बोले मैं भी सुन पाऊं। शांत रहूं, सबका मान रखूं, स्मार्ट चॉइस से आगे बढ़ूं। मैं काम पहले पूरा करूं, फिर मस्ती में खूब जुमा करूं। समय का करना सीखूं मान, चेहरे पे हंसी मन में गान। सच बोलूं, डर ना दिखाऊं, गलती हो तो सॉरी कह जाओ। ईमानदारी हो मेरी पहचान, चेहरा खिला दिल में जान। दूसरों को खेल में लाऊं, कभी किसी को ना मैं दुखाऊं। बात बात में गुस्सा न करूं, हर दिल में मैं प्यार भरूं। स्मार्ट चॉइसेस हर रोज करे, खुशियों से दिन संजोए। हंसी हो हर चेहरे पर, हम प्यारे बच्चे कहलाएं। हम प्यारे बच्चे कहलाए। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद जियान। Now I invite my classmates Aryav, Dhyan, Dhyana, Dhyani, Dhyay, Janil, Nivan, Mantra Sojitra, Mantra Sambat and Manya to share about the smart choices they make and inspire us.
I choose to raise my hand and not to shout. I choose to finish my work before play. Thank you. I choose to listen before speaking. I choose to help, not laugh at mistakes. Thank you. I choose to keep my desk neat and clean. Thank you.
I choose to use kind words and not mean ones.
I choose to include everyone in game. Thank you. I choose to say sorry when I am wrong. I choose to be honest even when it's hard. Thank you.
Smart choices every day make us shining every way. Thank you, my dear friends. Now we come to the end of today's assembly. Our nation is what makes us one. Let us rise to pay tribute to Mother India. Assembly सावधान। choices. Let's choose to be smart, kind, and cool. Thank you all for joining us for our assembly. Wish you a very beautiful and grateful day ahead.